Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Mice. Today we are going to discuss about the easiest way to find .edu and government backlinks along with many others. As you know, .edu and .gov backlinks are one of the most valuable backlinks for our website and the toughest one to find. You just need to type the URL footprints.digitalmice.com. The URL is I have already pasted in the description. You can copy it from it as well. So as you can see on the screens, we have two options. One is keyword, another one is filter category. So let's see what filter category options have. You have different types of backlinks here: forum, comments, directory, article, social bookmarking, guest blogging, bonus backlink, and edu and .gov. So these are different types of backlinks, and in the keyword section, go for the broad match keywords. Like, don't go for the specific keywords like uh, Avengers, Endgame, movies. Go for movies. So it will give you better and variety of the results. So I'll just type the fashion, select the category of edu, and which type of subcategories like blog comment, which type of comment I would like to create. Blog comment, forum posting, scholarship, resources page, contributor site. I go with the blog comment. And you have another option, which type of blog comment you would like to search. Let's say WordPress. Hit the search button, and as you can see, you have 37 results in of fashion site who have edu backlinks and allow you to comment. You can also select other like common. Let's see what common blogs have. You have 4,000 results, around 4,000 results. Wow, that's nice. So you can open it and do your blog commenting on it. So it's all about edu, and you can select different other like scholarship or find scholarship pages. Let's see what it was. 7. Oh, it's a huge number. You can see these are edu sites who allow you to create scholarship pages for your website. Another option we would like to check is for .gov backlinks. Let's see what GeoV backlinks have. Forum posting, blog comment, resources page, find contributor. Let's try forum posting. Which type of forum you would like to search? TSVB and VBulletin are the most common one. So let's select PHP and just remove the keyword. Let's see what result we will have without any keywords. So we have around 6 results. That is not a big number, but yeah, for government sites it's good. So let's try VBulletin also, and it will give you 3 results. Even you can change the setting here. It's like I'm in India, so I can select like United States if I would like to search backlink of United States. So it will help you as well. So let's try something else like guest blogging. You have different types of option like become a contributor, want to write, and let's find blog. Here's a captcha card. I hate this thing. Oh, that's very nice. So you have multiple sites on which you can submit your guest post. So use these tools wisely to find new reference domains for your website, and like you have variety of option here. You can select any of them. Like we can also try forum backlinks for you. Like in forum backlinks, VBulletin, which type of forum backlink I would like to create, posting or registration. I'll go with the posting. Let's see what result we have. Oh, you have variety of option here also. So I would say don't go for specific keywords. Go for the broad match keywords, or if possible, you just want to create edu backlinks. Leave the keyword section blank, so that you will get more results, and then filter it according to your needs. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much guys.